Mr. Mitsubishi here. This here is going to be our Outlander that we're going to turn into Heritage Edition. It's going to be the Tommi Makinen Heritage Edition. There is this cool EVO out there. It's a Rally EVO VI that Tommi Makinen used for the driving days, and we will pay tribute to that car and we'll turn this Outlander GT into the Tommi Makinen Heritage Edition.
He's really working hard. He wants 3 points from this special stage.
It'll be pretty cool. We'll do chrome delete, we'll do special decals on the side, and we'll also upgrade wheels, of course, and super excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Right now, let's check out how it's done, all the steps, and then we'll enjoy the end result together as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this Outlander GT that we have in inventory on purpose. We didn't add any accessories to it, so we have a nice clean factory looks. And then we played around with few design ideas, and we came up with this one here being the best, where we do the striping and everything else to reflect how the EVO looked, Tommi Makinen EVO looked. And then of course we're gonna do wheel upgrade as well. We handpicked 22-inch wheels to make a large visual impact on it, and it should be pretty cool. So let's see how it actually works out.